finish. Imagine that. We never do that, right? Because ads never play. They're not annoying. I make online gaming go.
Yeah. Like, I guess I get it because it's like, I don't know, for stuff like this, that's just weird.
I want to make fun of. I want to make fun of the title, but I don't want to totally insult him. It's funny.
That's easy
Okay. Unity multi-dev. The cheese is almost
yeah, for things
appeased.
like this, I feel like it should be able to, I don't know, it's like one of those things where it's like, obviously, this should just work if I even don't have the ampersand, but...
Got a YouTube channel?
I'm really hoping I can make it mobile editor.
Oh, subscribe. There we go.
I don't want to do this like in the engine. I want to allow the player to make their own map eventually.
Well, look at that. Looks cool.
It starts with this, and it evolves into something else eventually. Oh yeah, and for this one over here, I thought this was not very challenging because you could like wait in between them. So here's what I plan on doing. Salut, Pagano, Jeff. Good to see you, my friend. I just assumed you had a French name, and I said your name in French. But hello, how you doing? Good to see you. Alright, let's get some different speed. This one's gonna be fast, this one's gonna be slow, and perhaps...
Cool. Okay, so let's cue up some music too, in case I actually...
What side to start and have varied speed? Yeah, we could do that. Technically, I could say... The thing is, they're gonna go back and forth.
What one was the good one this morning?
Say, okay, start
this one?
You're right, let's do that.
Let's let that load.
Speed, that's for sure. That's
Yeah, okay, I think it's this one. Kingdom 80s, Dwarf Fortress, cool. Subnautica. Okay, let's go here.
Yeah, it is,
let's
I mean, we're here for the long
open
game,
that.
The rap sounds like a stupid game.
Close that one. Let's go with random. Okay. So one of the things, there's a bunch of things I want to work on. And So now that we have this, maybe we could look. Looks like there's an artifact there. That looks like it's an artifact on the N. And all of them have an artifact on the X side. Just slightly. So let's go to new text, FS. Texture sampler there. So it's right here. It's the beginning of where it's sampled. And it's R times that. So let's add a little bit of an offset. And one... we gotta be careful. So how big was this graphic? I'm using this one, right? And it's what? 288. So what's 1 pixel? 1 divided by 288 is equal to 0.0034. 0035. Okay. Whoop. 03125. Oh. Is that rounding enough? 00347. Let's go 347. Let's do that. See if that fixes the glitch. No, now it's more noticeable on more of them. See, I can only see it on the N, and I can see it only slightly now, so... Oh, it's also on the W, X, and Y. Okay. Bum 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 ba bum 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 bum. So why does that not... Oh, should I subtract? Let's see if it gets better if I subtract. And let's look at it again now. No. So let's add so now it's the other ones. Okay, so when we do that, the only thing is this here. So we just want to adjust 0. So let's go times -1. Oh, computer, you're funny. You're funny. 0.0312. Okay, and then we're going to subtract what we just added. 0.00347 equals 0.02773. Oh, we hit the insert. How do you... Where's the insert? I never use that. Okay, good. Hitting the wrong keys. That'll do it. Okay, what are we supposed to put in here now? What are we doing? 2773. Okay, and we have a slight thing on the D there, which I don't understand, because there are okay. So aside from the artifact on the D now, everything looks good on a small d. Oh, there's an artifact there, and a few of these numbers. Okay. Okay, so there's the artifact there on the D on the underside, and then there's an artifact on these on the upper side. Okay. So does that mean we should adjust the beginning M here? Oh yeah, we really do that really crudely, don't we? Hold on, I forgot about that. So the artifact on the underside of the D, oh, that's just wrapping around. So so why would it do that on the third row there? I'm just curious. And why would it only show up on the D? Because the $sign is right under it, and that's the reaches to the very top. Okay. None of the others do. I have a solution. I have a solution. Watch this. Zoom in. Give me this. Color pick that. It's literally 2 pixels. We're just going to trim it like this. And let's also... Or wait, no, this way. Let's make it a little more $signy, I guess. Does this do it? No, this messes it up. Can we undo what I just did? Yeah. That looks like a weird S. Oops. Undo that one. There we go. Okay, we're going with that. So that'll fix the D. And then the other, what's the other artifact we're getting? It was on the numbers, wasn't it? Okay, so that fixes the D. So the numbers 0, 1, and 9. Also the asterisk and the thing. Okay, so that row, that whole row. 0, 1, and 9. Oh, these one that undercut. Okay. 0, 1, and 9. Those are on the first row. And the asterisk. So everything that cuts below here. So what if we also go like this? Excuse me. Save as. New 48. It's fine, go ahead. So then we have to go into here. Bum, 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 bum. Where did it go? Oh, did it have an issue? Failed to load texture. Oh, well, that's nice. Oh, because it's saved in pictures. Son of... Cool, that could be my new thing. Alright, try it again. There we go. Okay, so that looks good now. There's an artifact that I don't even know what's going on with that one. We're never going to draw the @ sign. I'm telling you that right now. Okay, everything's good. There's a slight artifact on the greater than, or the less than, or whatever, greater than, I think it is. Okay. So what's going on with this one? The greater than sign? Greater than. Over here. Oh, because this guy touches up there. Computer, is this an issue? There we go. All right. I dare say we've got to ironed it all out. Wait, that's so low now. I'm just kidding. I want to know why this one's glitched. I love it, but I want to know why it's glitched. It's the first one on this row. I wonder why it's glitched. So it's got to be the fragment shader doing something different for that particular one. M equals 0, M equals that and that. So on it's the first one. Oh, wait a minute. R is greater than 32. So is it 0? Wait. 32. Char, F char minus 32. So the first one's shouldn't it be greater than 31.5? 31.5. And this one, shouldn't it be 63.5? Is there another glitch on the other one? I don't know. Let's go look. See if this fixes or creates a problem. Okay, so the first one on this row is the @ sign. Oh, that fixed it. Okay. So it's the uncertainty in the greater than when it gets to that one. That creates a weird glitch. Bizarre. God, that bugs the crap out of me. Alright. It does. Bugs the crap out of me. So there was another one, though. Like, what's the other one at the beginning of the next row? Oh, that, and we don't care about that. We don't care about the @ sign. We don't care about most of the symbols. But that's only for now. Alright, so I think we're good. So that's very good. We've ironed out the whole texture thing, and this is very minimal code for using this texture, which is really, really good. Okay, so is there any optimization we want to do here? R is fine to calculate because we use it in the comparison. M is good here, and we'll set it and go through ftech. Okay, so this is really good. I really like this. Okay. And the texture is not that. Do we use text width? We don't use text width. Okay. Inputs from the vertex shader, we got that. Okay. We currently don't apply the color. Alright, we'll do that soon. We will do that soon. So since they're all good now, everything is good. Let's go with random colors now. So the vertex shader accepts a color, right, for each one. So when we initialize the data, total letters less than 500. Oh, I see. It makes character. Okay. So how are, oh yeah, in here. Oh, it's probably some loop I set up. Right here, random characters. Okay. And that, whoop, what was that? What just fell? Oh, okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. So right now they're all blue, but the color is hard-coded to sample from the texture. Okay. So let's go like this. Vector for temp color equals this. Okay. And then if it's sampling from the texture, it's 168. So there we go. All the colors. So if so from the texture, if it's greater than that, then it should be then temp color.rgb equals, and what's it called? F color. And then the frag color at the end is going to be vector 4. Actually, it's just going to be temp color. Can we do that? Let's see. But then they should all be blue. Oh, they are. Oh, they got a little outline. Oh, look at that. Oh, I kind of like that. That's crazy. So I wonder if we can do a different outline color too. So there's the texture sample, and then there's this. So there's got to be... Oh, I wonder if it's the way that it samples the... Because it's either 0 or here. Like, why is it sampling? I mean, I like that, don't get me wrong. That's kind of a feature that I can take advantage of. But I want to control it. I want to control it. Oh wait, we don't want to do that. Let's do it lighter so it'll blend out. See if that does like a dark outline. There we go. So there is an outline, but it's darker. That looks interesting. Okay, so that's just a weird quirk of the way it samples the texture, because there is no middle, there is no outline middle. But that's a feature we're going to take advantage of. That's cool. Okay, so so as it stands now, we can take advantage of that weird, I don't understand the glitch, and we can do the color, the meat of the characters of one color, and then the outline of the characters another color. So we can actually go into here. For now, we'll just, yeah. And I can make them both the same and make it solid. Like if I did this, they would both, whoops, what did I just do? They would both be, this, it would be a solid character now. Interesting that it looks more readable the other way. So that's really cool. Or why don't we go like this? Excuse me. Oh sure, now it wants to save into there. And we've broken it. It's fine now. So if I go back to, yeah, so people will now see that as my channel. And it'll show as the, that's the icon. Alright, cool. So we did that. Okay, so what did we do here? And I updated new text 01.fs. There's that. And I didn't save a new version. I knew I wasn't going to break it too much. Alright, so let's see what else we can do here. Maybe I should restart stream and play some Fortnite. I'm so bad. Yeah, it wouldn't be much harm. It would be a nice, quiet, quick video. I'll be right back. I'm going to play some Fortnite, so I'm going to restart the stream with minimal, shut down everything, just